brothers. I'm here next to my lovely refrigerator where I've spent so many days. So now I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Ready? Okay, so here's what we got for today. More microwave meat, beef tips and gravy. It's basically just a bunch
17 grams of protein.
Just a bunch of chunks of meat and then a fat ass sauce. So let's see your microwave instructions. So we're about to sleep. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and heat this up hot. Whoever's making that mess. So 3 minutes. It's ready! I'm introducing my brother Bobby. So usually when it comes out hot, it's like bubbling. So I like to use an oven mitt when I tear the plastic off.
That's a little gay, but
It's okay, but I was like, wait. Now that I know it's not hot, I can take off the whole thing. Look at that microwave meat. Now, to make it even more pure, I'm gonna mix it in. Mix in that gravy. Okay, mix in the gravy to the brisk cupboard. This way, come on. Okay, let's bring this back. Here we go. Okay, so I have this surprise dessert that must stay frozen, so I'll keep it in the freezer until we're ready to eat the dessert. I hope it's not hot because it's burned my mouth a couple times. Ready?
how does that feel?
This is so good, it's stressing me out. I don't deserve this. Nine out of 10. No, 8.5. I don't know, because I don't think this deserves a 9, but it doesn't deserve an 8. No, the chili give an 8. Yeah. Never gets old. It'll truly never get old. 10 out of 10. Ready for us to enter the frigid zone? When you enter the frigid zone, you don't know what you might find. I know, I've had my eye on this for days. Ice cream sandwich. Take it out of the wrapping carefully. You don't want to ruin the integrity of the ice cream in the middle. Ready? Pretty good. Okay, this is so fucking good. 10 out of 10. This food might have been better than yesterday. Tomorrow I'll be going out for lunch instead of eating in, so who knows if I'll do a review. We will, but also it helps me to have power if you don't know what we're doing. Okay, there will be a review. See you then. And as always, bye.